So here is targeting part, and to target a specific audience you have to do little research, and let me tell you that how to do that one. Mostly people used to create target audience here, like they will search for something and Facebook will show them suggestions, but let me show you that how to do it correctly. Just click here and go to all tools and click on this section like audience insight. So Facebook ad is not like that you just create one ad campaign or just few of the ads and it will start showing you results immediately. It's about testing and finding the right audience and right ad. So initially what you have to do, you have to make set of few audience like audience 1, audience 2, audience 3 with the with particular country set, like if you are targeting from United States, Canada and Australia, and then just make some of the ad audience in these countries like audience number 1, audience number 2, audience number 3, and after that just add different interest in these audience and then start testing your ad on different audiences. So after some time, like if you I recommend you to just start with 5 campaigns, and these 5 campaigns should have different audience set, audience 1, audience 2, like that. And once you will just run a campaign, you will get the performance of audience. So for example, like we can say that if audience 1 is performing good, then just you had got one of the good part of the ad, that is audience. Now you have to test another factor of your ad, that is like ad image. So in the next step, create another 5 ads and just put different images on the same audience set and run the ads. Then you will get another winning ad that will be with the best audience and with the best image. So like that you have to tweak every part of your Facebook ad, and finally you will get a winning campaign that is having best audience with the good image that is highly converting. One thing you have to note that Facebook is not a direct market for the buyers. Actually mostly people use Facebook for general activities and like to see their friends what they are doing and other stuffs. This platform is basically not for business, but since everybody on the Facebook, so people used to show their primary interest on your ads. So what I recommend that you should not directly advertise your business on Facebook. Instead of that, you should build a landing page to capture their email address. So for webinar softwares, if you would like to sell, then just create a landing page that these are the 5 hidden secret of a webinar, or how to get best webinar. Like that you can just create short PDF ebooks and just put them on landing page and just run the ads and drive traffic there and capture your audience email address. Then start pitching your software offer to them in the email, because people used to read the emails seriously when they are in mode of business, but there are less chances that people will see on Facebook about the business, because since you are targeting large audience set here. So let me show you that how to create audience that you can test. So click here on this everyone on Facebook, and Facebook will show you some of the stats like what is the how much audience are there and their genders. So select the country here and basically start from the age 21, and you can change this You can choose up to around 50 or up to 60 years, depending on your niche you are going to target. So initially we will just add any, and then gender we will select, and then we will start typing interest here. So let us say that I am going to target some of the webinar customers. So I will type here webinar, and here you can see some of the interests are popping up. So select this one, and then again type another keywords. So when you are choosing the keywords, you have to just take care that you should not just directly type the keyword like I am typing here, like webinar guides, or you have to understand that what are the targeted audience, those who are looking to start webinar business, or those who are in internet marketing, because there are many who are working in internet marketing and they want to start with webinar business, and if you can guide them, they will easily buy you. So I will choose internet marketing here, and like that you can choose those audience which likely to show interest in your ad. So once you will select ample of the audience, just look here on the target. So it's showing like 6 million to 7 million people are there in this particular category. So that is a good number. If anything, you are getting more than 500,000 or 1 million, so you can just target them. After that, just look into this section, that what are the percentage of the people in this particular category. So we can see here that 25 plus 19% are in the age category of 25 to 34, and another slot is 35 to 44 and 45 to 54. So what we have to do, we have to just change it here from 25 to 34, and sorry, just choose 34, and then just create these audience, like, or save them and name them as audience US, okay, and 25 to 34, and save them. After that, saving these audience, again we will reset these parameters. Facebook is sometime buggy in this stuff. Then again we will get some of the, we will get another statistics, and here you can see 35 to 44. So again we will change it to 35 to 44 and then save it. So what we are doing here, we are trying to just divide these targeted audience in different age sectors. So first you divide them in different age, and after that you divide them in different interest, and then start testing your ad and get a winning audience set first. If you get a winning audience set, then the next step for testing the image and other ad creative is very easy, because it requires just set of the tweaks. What I recommend that you go over to different pages similar to your niche, like if you want to sell webinar software, or if you want to sell funnel software, then just go to your competitors and see their winning ads and just try to replicate that ad in similar way. Don't copy exactly, just get that ad idea and just go over to Fiverr and just hire a freelancer for $5 to $10 and just ask them that you need similar ad copy in creative way. So after some time testing the audience and testing the ad image, you will start getting the winning campaigns. Now let's talk about the bid strategy, that how to bid, and it's a big issue on Facebook, that lot of people end with spending lot of money, and they didn't get any result with Facebook, because this is the Facebook algorithm that used to work as you will just put your offer to them. If you said there is no bid strategy, then Facebook will try to consume your maximum budget, and they will show ads to everyone. So what you have to do when you are setting a campaign, then inside the campaign there is option to set manual bid. So always choose manual bid and put it at minimum. Like if you can put 0.12 USD per click, or you can put it 0.23 USD per click. So what I used to do when I start my campaigns, I used to put minimum bid for the particular campaign, like 0.12 USD, and I will just observe that for day one. Then if there are no results are showing for this particular ad campaign, I will increase that slightly, like I will go to 0.15. Then on the next move I will go to 0.20, and when I will start getting the results, I will just keep that bid, and then I will start experimenting with other factors like images and other stuffs. So the thing is that you have to understand that Facebook ads is not a just one day game, that today you will set up the campaign and it will start showing the results you in day one. It's a it will take you around 20 to 30 days to get a winning campaign, and after that you have not to look back. Once you will get a winning campaign, then you will have winning audience and winning ad set. Just you have to replicate them, and you can also create look-alike audience with the same audience that is giving you result, and then you will have a very good successful ads running for you and driving traffic. There are different methods in Facebook to drive traffic. Like you can target for website conversion, you have to place pixels on your landing page, and you can also just drive simple traffic by choosing the clicks that drive traffic to the website, or just get the message. But mostly I used to get result with driving traffic to the website and landing page conversion. So this Facebook method that I am showing you here, it's a basic one, and if you want to learn advanced strategies like that, how to do pixel jacking, and how to target exact audience set, and how to get winning ads at in the minimum budget, and how to start your campaign and get 100% to 400% ROI, that we are going to show in our reseller resources. So if you want to learn the exact strategy that I am using, and it's detailed one, it's required around 4 to 5 hours to teach you about different methods that I am using for Facebook ads. You can look inside our reseller resource area, and you will get golden nuggets there, because I had generated more than 500,000 with Facebook, and this strategy is still working, and I used to test ads on day-to-day basis, and other audience and set and different ads creative. So I had developed a few methods that are very good, and they can really help you to resell these products. So I recommend you to just check out in your reseller area after a few days, and we are going to share the detailed methodology about Facebook targeting. So that's all. Thank you, and have a good time and good selling.